Malaysia is suspending imports of chicken from Thailand after Thai authorities reported 2 recent outbreaks of bird flu among poultry. The World Health Organization says the H5N1 bird flu virus has killed 17 people in Thailand and 245 people worldwide since 2003.
And on the other side, Africa has its own concerns about bird flu. In Tanzania, a government emergency response plan includes alerting people of outbreaks so infections can be quickly detected and contained. And as Herbert Were reports, some small-scale chicken farmers are acting on their own to protect their birds from the virus.
90% of the population in Tanzania raises chickens, and for many small-scale farmers, their very livelihoods depend on the birds. That's why Teddy Mija says she took warnings about avian influenza seriously. She runs a small-scale exotic chicken farm and has 450 egg-laying hens. Mija started raising indigenous chickens in her backyard just outside Dar es Salaam 14 years ago. She still keeps some indigenous birds, but they no longer range free as in the past. She says that she heard about avian influenza from agriculture extension workers and took their advice to protect the chickens from possible contact with wild birds or infected poultry.
I have heard about avian influenza. I have also been told how to avoid it and report to the livestock experts in case chickens die in large numbers.
Widow Placida Kajungu is a backyard chicken farmer in Temeke Municipal Council. She started with 6 chickens 6 years ago and now keeps between 100 to 150 birds. They are her family's lifeline, and because of the bird flu scare, she had to pay for a fence to prevent her birds from roaming around the village.
It is expensive, but in order to avoid losses and fight bird flu, I have to confine them and protect them.
Placida Kajungu and Teddy Mija are responsible for only a tiny fraction of the more than 55 million chickens raised in Tanzania. But government officials are counting on small-scale farmers like them to help protect Tanzania's poultry population from possible outbreaks of avian influenza. Herbert Were, reporting for VOA News in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania.